Plastic recycling begins here. Used plastics arrive by the ton. The sorting process begins immediately. Every piece is inspected and separated. Advanced robotics identify recyclable plastics instantly. Manual inspection removes contamination. Optical scanners identify plastic types in seconds. Sorted materials move to processing. Automation keeps the system moving non-stop. Tons of recyclable plastic move through the facility every hour. Industrial shredders break the plastic down. Rotating steel blades tear the material apart. The shredded plastic is filtered by size. The material moves to the cleaning stage. Operators monitor every stage continuously. Processed flakes collect before washing. Powerful machinery drives the recycling process. Every machine operates in perfect coordination.
The factory runs non-stop under extreme conditions.
The shredding stage prepares plastic for cleaning. High-pressure washing removes dirt and contamination.
Contaminants are washed away during cleaning.
Rotating drums clean the shredded plastic thoroughly. Workers check the material for purity. Excess water is removed before drying. The water is filtered and reused. Industrial dryers remove remaining moisture. Hot air prepares the plastic for processing. The dried material moves to pellet production. The material is now clean and fully dried. The plastic enters the pelletizing system. Molten plastic is pushed through extrusion nozzles. Rotating blades cut the plastic into pellets. The finished pellets move into storage. Blue pigment is added to the pellets. The pigment blends evenly with the material. The color is blended evenly into the material.
Automated systems maintain consistent color quality.
The blue pellets move to the molding department. The pellets are now ready for molding. The blue pellets enter the molding system. Extreme heat melts the plastic into liquid form. The molten plastic moves through the extruder. Hydraulic systems generate extreme molding pressure. Every condition is monitored in real time. The molten material flows toward the molds.
Extreme heat and pressure drive the process. Automation controls every injection cycle. The entire system operates in perfect synchronization.
The molten plastic is ready for molding. The chair molds close under extreme pressure.
Molten plastic fills the chair mold instantly.
Molten plastic fills the chair mold completely.
Pressure stabilizes the mold before cooling.
Cooling channels harden the molded plastic.
Steam escapes as the molds begin cooling.
A fully formed chair emerges from the mold.
Robotic systems remove the finished chair.
The molded chairs continue down the production line.
Thousands of chairs are produced every day. The chairs move into the cooling stage. Powerful cooling systems reduce the chair temperature.
Robotic cutters remove excess material.
The surfaces are polished for a smooth finish. Each chair is inspected for structural quality. Laser systems verify precise measurements.
Every chair undergoes strength testing.
Impact tests simulate years of daily use.
Finished chairs are prepared for shipment.
From recycled plastic to finished chairs, the process is complete.